Hey, Armin Shafee here, the founder of highticketcoaching.com. In today's video, I wanted to give you guys something really good that's going to help you with closing more sales and booking more calls in the chat, which is how to set up the close. Now, there's something uniquely different about the ability to actually emotionally connect the prospect and then understand their thinking process with their emotional state. And so when you do that, you can actually predict 5, 10, 15 moves ahead what they're going to think, what they're going to believe. And if you can get really good at this simple thing I'm teaching in this video, then you're going to be able to predict your sales, predict the close, and set everything up for yourself to close. So I really hope this helps you guys out. You go out there and crush your goals. Enjoy the video.
So you need to be thinking 5 to 10 moves ahead all the time. When you get on a call, always be thinking from the macro before you go micro. So I'm getting on the call. I know this person's getting free coaching. Why am I doing this though? What's the macro purpose here? Well, I'm trying to get a testimonial. I want to get clear on my process. I want to see if they're a good fit. What is their purpose? They have obviously a need here. Or else why would they get on for free? That's the point of validating. For free, the offer is good. Then we want to validate, will people pay for the offer? So we already know they want something. I just keep it that obvious and clear in my head. Okay, they want something. I just got to find out what, and what part of the want has an associated cost and a pain to it that'd be worth paying to fix. That's all I need to find. In the midst of the session, all of the questions and the things I do, everything has a purpose. Nothing is purposeless. Everything I do is to reverse engineer. I need to get to a point where I have enough leverage. I have the reason for why they need to buy and work with me. I work backwards. Everything I'm asking and doing, I'm already thinking 10 moves ahead of it. If I ask this person right now, for example, how much content do you put out on your Instagram reels? Why am I asking this? Not just for fun, because if they say I don't put enough out, I have something to leverage for the close. If they say I put too much, then I go, so what's the results? I have something to leverage from the close. If it's not good. See, anything I'm asking, I'm thinking 10 steps. I'm always setting up the close. Human negotiation, relationship building, conversation, sales, mirror selling, what it is not a transactional one-to-one ratio thing. I say something, you say something. Okay. Now I say another thing, you said. That's not how it works. If I'm speaking to you at a party and I just go, so the Jets, eh? And you go, yeah, the Jets. I go, awesome. And the weather crazy was yesterday. Yeah, the weather crazy was. How old are you, by the way? 42. Cool. How do you know the owners? Bro, that's not a conversation. You know that, guys? That's the guy you don't want to talk to because first, he's bad at conversation. Second, he's awkward. And 30 years, there's no point of what he's saying. We're not getting anywhere. Business is the same way. Setting in the chats, in the sales call, even in the program. I'm talking to you right now. I have an end in mind for what I'm trying to teach you. So everything I'm doing, all the analogy, everything, my mind has been trained, and this is with repetition. You're going to get better at this. It's a skill you learn. It's not something you just understand. It's like something you got to practice. Eventually, you get good like this, where I already know the end conclusion of what I'm trying to make with you, but I have like 3 to 4 things my mind is throwing at me to walk you through, to set myself up, to set you up for what? The close. This is what you need to believe. I was training my team this morning and we were looking at a prospect that messaged us. I looked at her profile. She's an engineer at UPS. I'm trying to find out how long she's been working at this job. She goes 25 years, let's say. What do I now know that I can leverage for the close? That 25 years she's been in this job. So now the setup, I'm thinking 5 moves ahead. I can ask, are you happy there? This is a chain. It's not 1-to-1 ratio. Stop thinking response, Q&A. Stop thinking this way in sales. It's not question response. It's conversation, whole thing. So I'm sitting there, I'm going, okay, if I have the years, I have time now. I need the other infinity stones to activate and snap my fingers. Next infinity stone I need. You happy there? It's a long time to be in a job. She goes, no. Now I go, damn, dramatize a bit, because they soften pain in their life. That's why they don't tolerate it. I want to make sure they see it like a mirror. Look, it's how bad it is. Damn, 25 years not doing what you love. Can't imagine how that feels. I totally get it. I have a third question in my mind. By the way, at least it's paying the bills, right? She either goes, yeah, but not enough. Or she goes, it's not, I'm in debt, right? What did I just get? Current situation. I just don't have the gap yet. I'm going straight to what? The goal. But it's still a cost. I'm going to find the gap after. I go, hey, you're trying to build this online business. I saw you're inspiring women. That's really awesome. What's your goal with what you want to make there? If I really want to dig deeper, by the way, here, I might not know her enough in the chat. I could be like, how much is it making? Like 5 grand, 10 grand? Because she goes, I want to make at least 10,000 a month. So not fixing this is costing her 10,000 a month. So now we got 25 years, unhappy, no meaning in life, behind on bills, not making enough, and not making 10 grand a month that she could be making. I got 4 leverage points. Now I go crazy. Most of the people I work with start in the same situation. I'm planting a seed. So don't worry, you can figure it out. But what do you think you need the most right now? Now she gives me the need. This, my friends, is the true definition of making sales predictable. Not a system, not to marketing methods, not a CRM. This is because your skill level, the process I am teaching you, can make you predict, because you're engineering the process to know how much you're going to make, if a person's going to buy, or won't buy. It is the ability to think 10 moves ahead. This is to the level of presence and consciousness you need to be bringing to relationship building with your prospects and your sales and everything in life, man. It's like how I am. I think 10 moves ahead. But see, I'm also in my heart. If you're always up here, you're logical. You don't connect to the person. So you're doing this with your mind. Leverage the mind this way, where it's thinking and giving you direction. But be in your heart in the terms of put yourself in a person's shoes. Try to understand them. Feel what they're feeling. Oh, if I was unhappy in a job this way, what would I feel like? Because then you would naturally bring out of your own self the kind of questions and things you would say and ask. That would get you, if you heard those questions, it would make you want to fix it. Just remember that. If you don't already know from one question you're asking, how many other questions you're going to ask after that and which way it could go and what answers you're looking for to get so you can set up the sale, you're not doing sales. Sales is doing you.